everyone and welcome back to the channel. Another day in Benidorm, and within a couple weeks time it is going to be busy as hell here with two big events coming to Benidorm: St Patrick's Day and the Cheltenham horse races. Let's see what's shut for preparations.
It's supposed to feel.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel?
Behind me, the right starbar, that's shot for preparations. From a video I saw last night from last week of Big Dog and Grommet's holiday, they were showing around the pool area, and apparently they've removed the stage from the pool area, so there is a full view of the TV ready for the Cheltenham horse races. So going to be busy day. There's that Lamborghini Urus I saw the other day. Red car just gone down with a Lamborghini Urus, guys. Now I'm going to take a brief guess and say St Patrick's Day is on March the 17th. I've probably got that wrong, so drop a comment down below. Oh, that's something I didn't expect either. Big Willie's fancy dress shop is closed today. Have we come out early or something, or
That early.
I'm not sure if we've come out super early or if it's just places are sort of shutting before the Patrick's Day rush and Cheltenham rush. 10:49, so we're not that early. So I don't know what's going on. I think places are sort of preparing for the Paddy's Day rush. I'm going to be a bit sneaky, head up here. So as you can see, guys, I've removed the stage from the pool area and I've got the huge big screen over the back for when Cheltenham is on. I think it's going to be chaos in here when Cheltenham's on, to be honest. Probably one of the best bars to watch it, even to watch football actually. Pretty sure most of your football matches are shown on that big screen. Across the road there is the Shamrock and Dublin House, both bars finally back open, and they're going to be packed come St Patrick's Day, guys. Before I forget, just like to give a big shout out to Claire Holmes, who took us on a night out last night, ended up doing a full sort of circle of the old town. Met at her hotel, then sort of went to Zodiac, went back to her hotel, up to a bar by where we live, then back round into town. Oh my God, okay, what is going on in Benidorm? The railway bar's shut. Unless maybe they've started only opening of an evening now for like football and
just like open later on, Marcus.
Yeah, maybe later to be open, but it's a great bar. I think one of my favourite bars in Benidorm at the moment. Now you're probably thinking, Marcus, the quality of the film seems better. It is because I am using a temporary gimbal. However, guys, there is a sort of other side to it. I do now officially have a Buy Me a Coffee link if you do want to make a small donation to help me raise money to buy a new gimbal. Anyway, I've only just noticed that. I'm not sure if that will come up on camera, but the railway bar now do AU Folker. One of the more posher Folkers in Benidorm. And as you can see, works underway to prepare the square for next season. And by work, I mean a ton of work. I think Beachcombers is going to be a new nightclub. And I believe next door, the Bahamas, I believe they will be reopening under the same name, but they'll be reopening bigger and better than ever. Favourite future of the railway? The train sticking out the wall.
We're watching you on Facebook, on YouTube.
Cheers, guys. Getting recognised again. But I've been a Benidorm celebrity, guys. Broadway as well, still got a lot of work to be done, but not really anything happening in there, by looks of it. Fingers crossed, stuff will get finished for this season. Queen's Arms as well. I'm sure that were open the other day.
That's going to be open tonight. That's
Oh, so another sort of nighttime bar, guys. Looks a nice bar as well. A little miracle.
Yeah, go down a little bit past this far. Go over the road. Never ever seen anybody in that KFC.
Yep, people in the KFC over the road. Right, man. I have seen people in it before, actually, so not really a miracle, so to speak. The Rose and Crown preparing to open for another day. God. It's actually a nice day today, guys. Me and Mike were both considering bringing our coats, but yeah, I think we'd have been too hot if we'd have bought coats. I mean, perfect sun. Not too hot, not too cold. Just perfect. Going to finish down on the corner of Avenida Filipinas, and I'll do a brief guess at the temperature. suppose.
Hey?
After I've shown you this classic car. That's something you don't see every day, an old-fashioned MG. I think that were. Anyway, temperature. What would you say, Mike?
Around about 20.
Hang on, there he is.
Yeah, around about 20 today, I would say, on the temperature.
Yeah,
It's going to get warm this afternoon, I take it.
fingers crossed. We know Claire last night were panicking because she's brought her shorts over. But yeah, I think you'll be alright wearing shorts today. I think today's going to be a nice day. Anyway guys, hit that like, hit the subscribe, and if you do want to help me towards getting a brand new gimbal, I'll leave the buy me a coffee link down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.